Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Fanduel location. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your app store, and then on the search bar what you need to do is type in Fanduel. And now once it loads, what you need to do is tap on the app and then check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix the issue. But if you are still facing the issue, then what you can do is head over back to your home screen and then tap on your settings. And once you're inside the settings, what you need to do is simply scroll down and then tap on general. Now once you're inside general, here you'll find the option that says iPhone storage. Simply tap on it. And now once you tap on it, here what you need to do is scroll all the way down and then locate Fanduel app. Let me just assume this Facebook is the Fanduel app, and once you tap on it, here you'll be provided with two options, that is offload app and delete app. Simply tap on offload app, and what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app, which might be causing the issues that you are facing. Now once that's done, all you gotta do is go back and then try again, and that will fix the issue. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.